Hi everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Chef Marlo and welcome to another episode of Bakery Series video recipe of Miguelitos. Today, we are making our favorite donuts. Here are the ingredients. 2/3 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of margarine, 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, and for the toppings, melted chocolate. And syempre, ang ating 500 grams Miguelitos Instant Cake Donut Mix. In a large mixing bowl, paghalu-haluing mabuti ang Miguelitos Instant Donut Mix. Then add 3/4 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of margarine, and 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. Take note that you could add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix well until the dough is formed. Use your clean hands to effectively mix the ingredients. In a flat surface, masahin ng dough until the texture becomes fine. For faster and easier kneading, you may use a stand mixer with dough hook. Mold the dough until the shape becomes round. Divide it into 2 equal parts using a dough slicer and roll each part until it forms a cylindrical shape. Slice the cylindrical shape dough diagonally. These slices will be the individual pieces of the donut and form into round shape. Flat the dough until it fits in the donut molder and cut into donut shape. Place in greased baking tray and make sure to provide gaps between donuts as this will rise later on. Set aside donuts and let it rise for at least 2 hours or until doubled in size. Heat oil in deep fryer for about 190 degrees Celsius and fry donuts over medium heat, turning once for 3 minutes or until golden brown. Drain on paper towel and add your desired coatings. You can sell these donuts for 20 pesos each. Best choice for your business or your salo-salo. To be updated for more video recipes of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the ring bell button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Miguelitos, ang best partner mo sa negosyo!